To make banana podi, we need 2 Nendran banana, also called as plantain banana. Then cut the banana into thin slices. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of gram flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and a pinch of hing. Add a pinch of turmeric powder for the color. Now I will grind 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Make a coarse powder or until the coriander seeds are split apart. Then add this to the mixing bowl. Add half cup of water and mix well. Add extra water if required to get the desired consistency. Now add the sliced banana to the coating mix. Mix it and ensure the bananas are coated well. Heat oil in a pan and add the bananas one by one. Turn flame into medium-high for 1 minute. Then lower the flame and flip the bananas. Finally, banana podi is ready to serve.